Okay, we're at the second anniversary of Anywhere Bicycle Repair. I'm going to kind of sneak this video a little bit, so I won't be talking all the way through it. Now, we're kind of here in the northern part of San Diego, in Kearny Mesa. And they've been here a couple years. I've never actually been in here, and I don't see anybody I know here, but looks like they got a good thing going on. They actually do mobile repairs. They'll see out in back the car that they can pick them up. So part of their slogan is, we're not a bike shop, we're a repair shop. So I'm just going to hold the camera, and also a note for all the vintage bikes in the ceiling too. So there's a few out here too.
Tucked your eyebrows on the wing, shaped the legs and you wish he be. Take the off his right side. Said, hey honey, take a walk on the right side.
So they got some live music going on. They got all their kits over here. So check it out. Here's their repair center. It looks like they got a good thing going.
But the cab driver gave me a ride. Whoa! Super cool. And then I'm like hanging out. I sit outside. And the next day I'm like, there you go. Okay, it'll be alright. I can get on his leg and get her on. Oh my God. And so I asked this dude, I lost my lighter too, and I asked this guy for a lighter. I drank it. Because they don't take it.
And then you go, oh, you can say it after John and Boyd. Okay. Just like.
If it's not a workout, it may not be a time.
So I don't know if you noticed that Schwinn is set up as a blender for margaritas and smoothies. There's some of the bikes coming and going, being repaired.
Oh yeah, they're gonna have everywhere.
They got a little kickback area out here.
That's pretty much the area.
The coaster brake off is, I can't tell if it's the coaster brake grinding or the chain that's rubbing on everything.
Here's probably one of their many vehicles. They can haul a bunch of bikes, pick them up and deliver them. Checking out a coaster brake on this guy's bike. A little different than most of the ones they get. Got a swing bike here. So anyhow, I'm going to walk through and I'll cut it off after I'm on the other side again. Oh, blender's going. Let's see if we can check out the blender going.
Okay, yeah, we gotta test it out.
Perfect. We're very much done.
I thought you should wait.
That's why I'm going tired.
Okay, Anywhere Bike Repair.